In this episode, we'll go over dictation in self-study mode. In dictation, you'll hear a word or letter and write it down using the blocks. Unlike in read or trace and write, it will not be shown in braille. You can think of it as a kind of spelling bee with Taptilo. Here you can also choose among 4 topics: number, alphabet, short words, and long words.
Use the arrow buttons to scroll through the list and press the circle button to select. To go back to the previous list, press the circle button for 2 seconds.
In this example, let's choose numbers.
0.
Listen to the audio, then write using the blocks. Press the circle button to check the answer.
Great. 1.
If you want to hear it again, press and hold the left arrow button. The
1.
right arrow button that plays the spelling does not work in dictation. When you're done, press the circle button to check the answer.
You almost got it. Check the answer. 1.
If you get it wrong the 3rd time, the answer will be shown on the braille display. Then, as in trace and write, you can check the braille and write the correct answer. If you get it right, it'll move on to the next word.